Hello traders, welcome to this show on Tuesday, September 13. In this short video, I'm gonna show you the reaction of CPI data news for pound dollar. Specifically, we are going to discuss what happened today after release of CPI data. So don't miss and watch till the end of this short video. Here on the right side, you have the 15-minute chart, and on the left you can see 5-minute chart. By the way, for those who want to watch the magical reversal candle formation video, you can watch it using the link above this video. Now, 15-minute chart. This is what happened on Monday. We gapped up first, then we pushed to the downside. We filled the gap, the initial gap which happened during the Monday opening, and then price push up. As we said in our weekly forecast, we were mentioning this weekly fair value gap which was missed to touch before the news. We were expecting this weekly fair value gap to be touched, but because it was not touched, it didn't mean that you cannot trade. I'm gonna show you how you can use the 5-minute magical reversal candle formation to take the sell entry before release of CPI data. So stay tuned. Here, the 15-minute chart, price was manipulating each high. You can see after creating each high, price is pushing back up and taking the stop losses above each high and not reaching to this weekly fair value gap. So this weekly fair value gap is gonna be as a breakaway gap, as we already broke the structure to the downside. So here on the left side, as you can see, this is the 5-minute chart, and these are the candles exactly before the release of the 8:30 US time CPI data release. And you can see, just watch these two candles before this big bearish candle, and you can see this is exactly what we were teaching you in the video about magical reversal candle formation, and we have also mentioned this during our daily session sometimes. You can see this bullish candle, high and low, is engulfing the previous bearish candle. Doesn't matter what is the color of the previous candle, but because the color of the second candle is green, and it's happening exactly on the top of a structure during manipulation. So, and it happened, this is exactly before release of data, CPI data. So you can see, you could enter into this trade even in the 1-minute time frame and see the power of this magical reversal candle formation. And you can see what happened after that. Price pushed to the downside about 200 pips to the downside. And what we can see for the rest of the week, we are bearish for pound dollar, and we want the price to break the last week low. You can see on the right side 15-minute chart, this was the last week low which we were aiming last week, and now we are going to break this low once again. So we have to wait for the correction here, and once it gives us proper correction by tomorrow London time, or this can happen at any time because the CPI data for US was so bullish, so pound is gonna go down and should break the last week low. So this is our target for the rest of the week. Good luck with your trade. I would like to thank you for watching us.